Howdy, folks. Allow me to explain how Medicare works in the simplest of terms. First, y'all got to work 40 quarters. That's 10-year simple math right there. Social Security, disability, CMS, dual enrollment, chronic illness, cancer, diabetes, Hobbit 100 quarter, get 25, get 100 have, initial enrollment period, annual election period, open enrollment, special election period, Hobbit 100 have, get 75, 175, get 2, get 200, get 200, Part A, Part B, Part C, Part D, all the parts, Medicare Advantage right there, Medicare supplements, prescription drug plans, hospital insurance, medical insurance, dental, vision, hearing, 275, get 3, get 300.
Choosing the right Medicare health plan can get a little tricky, especially if you're not talking to the right person. Talk to me, Rodney Powell, the Medicare Video Guy at Senior Health Services. Medicare is complicated enough, but it doesn't have to be. I'll sit down with you and explain how Medicare works, along with your local health plan options at a pace that's comfortable for you.
5, where 500, 24-hour rule. Y'all check your zip code. There might be extra benefits. It's just that simple. Any questions?